Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up Copilot budget. Copilot is a smart financial management app designed to help users track their income, expenses, budgets, and savings goals with ease through a clean, automated interface. It securely links to your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments to provide a real-time picture of your financial health. By leveraging machine learning, Copilot automatically categorizes your transactions and gives personalized insights into your spending habits. To begin using it, just visit copilot.money and sign up for an account. Once registered, you'll be prompted to securely connect your financial accounts via trusted providers like Plate. Copilot then imports your recent transactions and sorts them into editable spending categories. You can tailor these categories to reflect your financial lifestyle and goals. Its dashboard shows your budget, cash flow, net worth, and upcoming bills in a clear, organized view. You can set custom spending limits for specific categories, an app that notifies you when you're nearing or exceeding those limits. It also tracks recurring subscriptions and points out areas where you could reduce cost. With its intuitive visuals and layout, Copilot makes managing money simpler and less overwhelming. You also get access to detailed analytics, trend charts, and helpful nudges to keep your finances on track. The Copilot charges a subscription after a free trial. Many users find its automation and insights well worth the cost. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.